In the first of this multi-episode series from The Fire Pilot, you'll meet my wife and son and how much my wife does not like choppy days. We depart Richmond, Kentucky, KRGA for a short flight to Lexington. We pick up Tyler, who you've seen on other Fire Pilot episodes, and Tad, who is another friend and is a check ride away from his private pilot certificate. Both of these guys are firefighters with me. After that, we head to 27K, Georgetown Scott County Airport to fill up with some of the cheapest fuel in the country right now. Then the five of us head to Frankfort, Indiana, where we hope to pick up Tyler's Archer after it had an engine monitor installed. When we get there, we'll find yet another surprise. Fun times with friends and family on this episode of The Fire Pilot.
November 38 Yankee, descend and maintain 1,600.
Central Kentucky traffic, Twin Cessna 2638 Yankees, departing the pattern 2000 for 3000 northbound for Central Kentucky.
Would have wore a different color if I knew you were wearing green.
Oh, I left out the house with it.
I didn't pay any attention.
Oh.
I love you, sugar.
Plenty.
Information, Foxtrot 15540 Zulu weather, wind 280 at 8. Wind variable between 260 and 320. Visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 8, dew point -4, altimeter 3028. Visual approaching use, landing departing runway 22. Notice there.
And approach Twin Cessna 2638 Yankee.
Twin Cessna 2 Yankee, Lexington approach.
We're now about 9 miles north of Richmond. We have Foxtrot, and we're like to request a full stop.
Twin Cessna 2 Yankee, squawk 0266.
0266 38 Yankee.
Number 28 Yankee, radar contact 15 miles southeast Lexington Airport, Lexington altimeter 3027. Number 3 for the airport behind a Diamond Star 7 miles southeast.
That's 2638 Yankee, roger.
Twin Cessna 28 Yankee, fly heading 360, vector for your sequence.
360 for 38 Yankee.
Attention all aircraft, Lexington 8, this information, Golf now current, wind 310 at 9, gust 16, altimeter 3027. November 28 Yankee, turn to left direct to the airport, make straight into runway 22 and contact the tower 119.1.
Left straight in 22, contact tower 119.1 for 38 Yankee.
Last call with approach, say again.
Tower November 2638 Yankee on the visual for 22.
2638 Yankee, Lexington Tower, runway 22, clear to land, wind 30010, gust 16.
Clear to land 2238 Yankee.
Agent 2380, confirm you have this call.
We do have golf on Agent 2380.
Gear down.
Agent 2380, hold short of the runway 27 approach course.
Okay, hold short of the 27 approach course for Agent 2380.
Lexington Tower, Cessna 4068 Juliet with you just over the interstate, entering right base for 27.
Number 4068 Juliet, Lexington Tower, runway 27, clear to land, wind 3009.
Okay, clear land, 2768 Juliet.
Sun 5 Delta Sierra, runway 27, taxi via Foxtrot. Cessna 28 Yankee, say parking intentions.
West ramp.
Cessna 28 Yankee, turn right next taxiway. Taxi to the west ramp via Bravo, Golf, Foxtrot, this frequency. And traffic taxiing outbound to runway 27 is a diamond, pass behind that traffic.
Bravo Golf Fox over to west, and we'll look for the traffic 3 Yankee. Good little crosswind there.
Yeah? I thought it went pretty smooth.
Oh, it was. Allegiant was watching.
Oh, yeah, I saw
they want to hire me.
Stop for you.
They want to hire me.
I don't blame them.
From here, we pick up Tyler and Tad and head to 27K, Georgetown, Scott County for some cheap fuel.
Great, Yankee affirmative. Taxi via Golf, hold short runway 22 at Golf.
Golf, hold short, 22 at Golf.
Will you be ready for departure immediately after completion of your back taxi?
Roger.
Cessna 38 Yankee back taxi, full length runway 22 via Golf. Fly, correction, turn right heading 270, runway 22, clear for takeoff.
All right, we'll back taxi for 22 and we'll turn 270, clear for takeoff 223 Yankee.
Georgetown's 5,500 runway length.
That's fine.
They got that taxiway shut down too, don't they? Looks like it.
Oh, it's way better when you turn on the noise cancellation.
Oh, yeah.
Makes that $1,000 all worth it, huh?
Hey, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all have the same headsets?
They do.
Yeah.
Oh, and you all do. I've got
You got a Zulu Lightspeed.
Zulu 3, no big deal. Just a little better.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
This is where you got your flat tire?
Right over there?
Right there, yeah.
Good to go, good to go. Everything look good to y'all?
Yeah.
Yeah, can't see a thing.
Sure.
Sure, let's roll. Making power, full power, airspeed's alive, 80. And she just wants to come off the ground. Big crosswind. Gear up.
A little different back here.
It is a little different back here.
What do you mean?
Sorry,
Just
guys.
Not,
That's all right.
No,
No,
just not having to do anything, just enjoying things for once. Kind of nice.
270.
Cessna 38 Yankee, contact departure.
Over departure, 38 Yankee. Departure, Twin Cessna 2638 Yankee, 2,700 for 3270 heading.
Jet 00 Hotel, cleared visual approach to runway 22, contact tower, 119.1.
Sounds like a different guy. Sounds like a different guy.
I didn't
November
recognize.
73, correction, November 38 Yankee, Lexington departure, radar contact, maintain VFR, turn right heading 360.
Maintain VFR 360, 38 Yankee.
I didn't recognize the chick either.
November 4, continue descent, maintain 4,000, depart to Lexington VOR, heading
Something hit my
360.
foot. Oh, the checklist.
Okay.
There you go.
A
Thank
little bumpy.
Yeah, we'll get up above it.
Yeah. We will.
360 on the heading.
Oh!
What happened?
Wasn't ready for that one.
25 to the here, just giving you an update on that traffic. They're now over off your right side at about your 3, maybe 4 o'clock in a mile and a half.
That's not me.
Parallel
That's purely wind.
to be westbound at 4,400 now.
Roger, still looking for
You're gonna make me sick.
Number 3 Yankee, turn right heading 020.
020, 38 Yankee.
Trying to get a good picture of the fire pilot.
Oh, that's right, baby. Oh, hello.
Babe!
That's not me. It's not me.
Maybe too bumpy to drink coffee right now.
What's that?
Maybe too bumpy to drink coffee right now.
Oh, yeah, I wouldn't drink no coffee.
Well, that's all right, boys, girls. It's fine. Everything's okay.
Oh, we all good, man.
Calm winds were in the morning.
They sure are, aren't they?
At
November
what,
3
11
Yankee,
o'clock?
proceed on course to Georgetown. Advise the Georgetown airport in sight.
Direct Georgetown, we'll advise you when we got it. 38 Yankee.
Got one plane in the pattern at Georgetown.
I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. I slowed it down a bit. I didn't realize I was still full throttle. That probably will help a little bit.
November 6452 Quebec, contact Indy Center 124.62.
All right, here, over. You hold that.
Okay. Is this thing running?
I don't know. It's not.
No. That's fun, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I thought you guys would like that.
November 38 Yankee to Georgetown Airport's 12 o'clock in about 5 miles.
Roger, we're looking.
Roger.
38 Yankee has Georgetown in sight.
Number 38 Yankee, radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, change to advisory frequency approved.
Roger, see you later. 38 Yankee.
Yeah.
In my defense, I requested earlier flights yesterday.
Absolutely.
To dodge the gusty winds.
Absolutely, yep, he did.
I did.
It took me a lot of stuff going on this morning, boys.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That's right.
I could have slept a whole nother 3 hours.
Georgetown, Scott County traffic. Twin Cessna 2638 Yankees doing a left crosswind entry for 2-1, now at 2,000 feet, just south of the field, Georgetown.
And Georgetown traffic 220 Alpha Bravo. We're still a little ways from the end, but we'll be departing 2-1, and we're looking for the traffic in the pattern. 220 Alpha Bravo.
Roger that. I think I see you on the taxiway there.
Thanks. And Twin Cessna traffic at Georgetown, November 220 Alpha Bravo. Do we have time to get out in front of you?
Roger that. Sorry, I just transmitted. Didn't know if you heard me. Yeah, we'll extend our left downwind. You guys are good. I got you inside. No problem.
Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good day.
Roger, same.
And 220 Alpha Bravo is departing Georgetown traffic. Straight out runway 21, Georgetown.
Traffic, 11 o'clock. Low, 2 miles.
Okay. Didn't snuck up on me. 11 o'clock low, 2 miles, 600 feet. Not in sight.
Yeah, they're directly in front of us.
Traffic, 12 o'clock. Low, less than 1 mile.
Never seen it. Georgetown, Scott County traffic, Twin Cessna 2638 Yankees, turning to final now for 2-1 at Georgetown. All right, I got 3 in the green. Everything's full forward. I got 2 notches of flaps, slightly below, which is right where we want to be with this. Three in the green. Everything's full forward. Gear down. Full flaps. On the line. Right crosswind. Thermals are good. Well, we know that stall horn works finally.
I didn't hear it.
I just heard it. It's the first time I've ever heard it.
Really?
Yep. Trying to slow down so all this wind, man. Then the wind stopped. On our next episode, we take off from 27 Kilo, Georgetown, Scott County, Kentucky, and have fun on the way to Frankfort, Indiana. If you like our videos, please subscribe and drop a comment below.
Let's share the love for aviation together. Till then, we'll see you next time from the Fire Pilot.
Georgetown traffic, Twin Cessna 2638 Yankee is clear 2-1 over the fuel.